Good morning, students. In this video, I am going to explain the question answers of chapter 9. First, second are the MCQ. As you can see, first question is in addition to the rock particle, the soil contains. Its right option is third, that is minerals, organic matter, air, and water, because soil contains all these constituents. Second one is the water holding capacity is the highest. As you know, clay soil has the highest water holding capacity, so its option second is right one. Third one is match the items of column 1 with column 2. A home for living organism. As we know, all types of soils are the home for living organisms, so first should be matched with B. Upper layer of the soil, upper layer of soil is dark in color. Sandy soil has large particles, so third match with A. Fourth one, middle layer of the soil, that is lesser amount of humus, because it contains more amount of minerals but less amount of humus. And last, fifth one is clay soil. Clay soil, as you know, is having the small particles and the particles are packed tightly, so option D. Fifth should be matched with D. Next one is explain how soil is formed. As we know, soil is formed by the process of weathering, and weathering is the breakdown of rocks by the action of wind, water, or any climatic changes like increase or decrease in temperature. So you will explain the process of weathering in this answer. Next one, fifth, how is clay soil useful for crops? As we know, clay soil is very useful for growing many cereals like wheat, paddy, etc., because it is having the highest water absorbing capacity, as well as it is having high content of organic matter. So this soil is very good for growing different kinds of crops. Next one is list the differences between clay soil and sandy soil. You will list the major differences, like clay soil has small particles where sandy soil has large particles. Clay soil air spaces are very less, whereas in sandy soil air spaces are more. In clay soil, you can see it is basically used for making pottery like pots or statues, whereas sandy soil cannot be used for such purposes. In clay soil, percolation rate is low because it absorbs more water, whereas in sandy soil percolation rate is high. So you can list the major differences between clay soil and sandy soil. In question number 7, you have to make the diagram of soil profile. Soil profile means the vertical section passing through different layers of the soil is called soil profile. If you are asked to make only sketch, you will only make the diagram and showing different layers, which are also called horizons. But if you are asked explanation, you will explain the different layers like horizon A, horizon B, horizon C, and bedrock. Horizon A is rich in humus, horizon B is rich in minerals, whereas in horizon C and bedrock, large pebbles or we can say large soil particles are present. Next, in question number 8, you have to calculate the rate of percolation. To calculate the rate of percolation, you have to divide the amount of water in milliliter by the time taken to percolate. So you will divide 200 ml by what is given in the 40 minute. You will get 5 ml per minute. In next question, you can in question number 9, it has been asked how can you prevent the soil pollution and soil erosion. Soil pollution can be prevented by not using chemicals like pesticide, insecticide, because they pollute the soil. In the same way, you should not use polythene, plastics, etc., and these methods are used to prevent the soil pollution. In the same way, factory waste also pollute the soil because it contains either acidic or basic substances. So before disposing the factory waste into the soil, we should neutralize it. In the same way, to prevent the soil erosion, as you know, is the removal of upper layer of soil with the help of wind, water, etc. So to prevent the soil erosion, the main method is to grow more and more trees, because trees roots hold the soil particles together, and you should also prevent the overgrazing. So you can write 2 or 3 methods of preventing soil pollution and soil erosion. Question number 10 is a puzzle. Here you have to solve this puzzle. Plantation prevented. As you know, plantation prevent the soil erosion, so it should be soil erosion. Use should be banned. Polythenes, its answer is polythene, because polythene use should be banned. In the same way, type of soil used for making pottery, as I told you, clay soil. Next one, living organism in the soil, that is earthworm. In desert soil, erosion occurs through, because in deserts wind is very blowing at very high speed, so its answer is wind. Clay and loam are suitable for cereals like wheat. Its answer is wheat. The type of soil which can hold very little water, that is sandy soil. In the same way, collective name of different layers of soil is called soil profile. I hope you have understood all the questions. So now complete your written work and also revise these question answers. Thank you.